Hi guys, I'm back. This is Super Simples number 7, and we are on part 8 of the Super Stupendous envelope journal. All the information is in the description box below. I am going to I have already cut and inked and grouped all of these items together. So this is our base piece. There's a lot of pieces in this one. So I'm just going to get started. I got a big old thing of glue. All right, let's make our pocket. And lining that up on the bottom. This is our base piece that everything will be attached to. And this is similar to like the envelope journal that I did a couple years ago, where you had all the envelopes that flip-flopped on the cover. That's kind of, I think, where Anna was going with this. So that's a lot of fun. These are the inserts for that. I'm just going to do a little bit of a collage here on the pocket. I'm not going to use the glue all the way up because I don't want to glue it through that edge punch and you know, glue the pocket shut. So got a piece of sponge in there. I'm just going to put that there. This particular pocket has a bee theme. Okay, so I'm going to leave this out for the moment. The pockets go in order of size. So we're going to start with the largest pocket. And this one will attach on the right. And it is a pocket, so we don't want to glue that shut. Oh my goodness, I filled up the bottle, and so it's doing the little volcano thing for me. We just want to glue on the side and on the bottom. I did write myself a note, glue as a pocket. So I am going to glue that. And I'm going to go ahead and attach it. Okay, this gets attached close to the bottom, but not all the way to the bottom. So maybe a little over 1/8 of an inch, just to give a little bit of room down there. Okay, this has a picture on this side, so we don't need to do anything on this side. And on this side, I'm just going to do a collage. I have this little extra piece. I think she used a torn book page or dictionary page or something, or piece of ephemera. But I have this little triangle, so why not use it? This is one of the cutoffs from, I think it was the first Super Simple that we did. So I'm just going to put that there and attach this rose. I mean, all these pieces go together. They all coordinate, so it's kind of nice, you know, having it that way. And I know that anything that's in my envelope is going to work. So I don't remember where she attached this lace, but I'm just going to attach it here. It does not matter. Just stick it there, okay? And then inside this pocket will go this tag. So I believe we need to glue this together. It works really nice if you use your bone folder, kind of get all of that covered. I get a little bit of ooze, but I can pretty much take care of that. And then if I've missed anything, I can kind of ink it or trim it. Quit. Okay. And this has a bloom and grow on it. That's cute. I like that it has the little line I can line it up with. And then I'm going to punch a hole, put a ribbon. Let's see, I want that side. And I'll put a ribbon through this one. I think it'll be okay with the ribbon. All of these are pretty bulky, so I don't know if I need to score my cover to make it a little thicker so it's not like alligator mouth, or maybe I don't know. Or hopefully I don't need to get a whole oops, that didn't go. A whole new cover. Okay. Or take out some of the pages might work too. All right, so let's get that in there like that. All right, so the next one on the list is going to be this one. Now she did a hole. I don't have a hole punch. I have this one. It's a little too large, so I'm not doing the whole thing that she did. So set that aside. So the way this one comes is, and I punched the hole so I could remember, but basically what I want to do is glue this on top and bottom, because this is going to be a pocket. All of these are going to be pockets. Okay, and I'm going to glue that shut just like that. I forgot to ink inside this one here. It is going to show a little bit, but it's not the end of the world if there's no ink. All right, and then once that's nice and glued down, that's why I punched this hole, because we need to trim and open this pocket here on the sides. And I do need some ink. There we go. Okay, so we're going to put a piece of lace down here. Just like that. Need a little bit more glue. And then I am going to put this Just Be You on top of the lace. This will be, you want the flip in the back to go through the back, because this is going to fold out from the left side. Okay, so now we're going to do this side, and this is really simple. We're just going to glue one of these little, what do you call these? Oh, I can't even remember. I want to say gladiolas. That's not what it is. I'm not sure. Anyway, and then we have this, which says, "A garden is a grand teacher." That's fun. I am already planning my garden for next year. I'm so excited. I haven't done one for a few years, so I'm starting from scratch. All right, so let's go ahead and get this glued. This one gets glued pretty much right in the middle. Okay, so stick it in there, lay that down. I'm going to open that so I can have this lay pretty flat. See if I move it up just a smidge. There we go. That way that Be Strong shows as well. All right, and then we have a little tab for inside this pocket, which is this. So we need to glue this closed. Okay, and I need to remember that this goes long ways. So it seems like you would want to go this way, but because we glued it, it's going to have to go in this way or this way. So I think I'm going to do it this way, and we've got this little B tab. Okay, and we want this at the top because there is another item that it could oh my goodness, that it might interfere with. So we want the tab toward the top like that. Got a little bit too much glue, so it's spinning around. Get that excess off. Okay, and we'll get this in here. Maybe. My fingers are all gluey and sticky. There we go. All right, so that's gonna go right there. Okay. So that will, this will be here, this will be here, but whichever way you decide to do it, I put that tab in like that so that it will fit either way. But that's kind of how we want it. All right, now we have this one. And there again, we're going to make a pocket. This one will go on the right hand side again. And this goes on this side. That says, "There are always flowers for those who want to see them." Henry Matisse. I like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna center that there. And I'm going to flip this over, and this just gets a piece of lace right across the middle. Okay. I may come back and add something to that. I may not. We'll see. I am going to trim that. Okay. And then we will attach this one. And we don't want this to interfere with that tab, so that's why we're coming down just about there. So that one's getting glued over the top of this one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then these go inside this pocket. This is a little booklet. I'm going to leave it open for now. But if you wanted to, you could glue it shut. I just think that would be a nice little extra journal spot. All right, so right, left, right, and then we have our last one, which is this little cute little tiny pocket. Again, we're going to glue the top and bottom closed like that. And we want the tab on this side. And we want to trim off these two pieces, just a smidge, because that's where our little tag is going to go. This is our little tag, which I'm going to glue closed. Somebody is outside. Okay, is it school pickup time? It's 3 o'clock. That's weird. Maybe junior high. I don't know. But they're sitting right outside my house. I don't know if you can hear it with the bass. That's all I hear. Bass. That just annoys me. It rattles everything on my walls. I mean, I can feel it in my stomach. Very frustrating. I mean, I am a lover of music, This is not music. This is just bass. And yeah. Okay, so we're making it little. I've got this little string here. This is still left over from our lap book. Trying to make good. I think I've got 2 more of these little pieces. So I've almost used them up. And there we go. So this will go in this pocket. And I want to make sure it fits in that pocket before I do anything else. Come on. Check my recording. It says I have 13 minutes left, so that's good because we're almost finished. Come on now. There we go. So I probably should have only punched the circle on one side, but yeah, there we go. Okay. Just need to be able to get my bone folder in there. There we go. Okay. Now I can get this in there. Hopefully. Oh, doesn't seem to want to. Oh, it split the tag open. Okay. Guys, this is not supposed to be this fiddly. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to leave the bone folder in there. I have done this before, and then I get it in there under the bone folder and pull the bone folder out. It just needs the pocket to get used to where it's supposed to be. So, all right. So now we're going to attach this. And let's see where we want this. Kind of right about there. That works. And come in like that. Take these 2 on the right out so I have a flatter surface to glue that down. And then we'll load everything back in. So, all right, so we had our pocket here, and we have some bee ephemera, some more flowers. There, that's fun. All right, and then we have this pocket with the tag. That's fun. Then we have this pocket with this side tag. I reserve the right to come back and put a little piece of ephemera there because I still do have some in this envelope. And then this one has these 2 tags, and then we have this one. This is what will be attached to your page, and you could attach it with still another pocket on the top or not worry about it. Now, as far as it staying closed, that's up to you. I believe what she did was she used a paper clip, and that kind of keeps it all together. So I may look for one of my rusty something different kind of paper clips so that I have something, or maybe I'll hang a little what do you call it, charm from the paper clip. But it is kind of thick, so I am going to leave it there until it dries, and I think it'll be okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Bye now.